Get it in. Oh, good try. Try again. Oh, try again. Get it in. Yay!
Good job, Georgia.
High five. Whoa. High five. Yeah. Woo! I'm never going to be able to feel the success of a World Series, championship, Stanley Cup.
After trailing by 10 or more points.
Today, we're going to fill up this Gatorade bottle and splash either Ben or I, not Georgia. Ben's gonna taste it.
That tastes a little orangey.
We're gonna splash the winner of a frisbee golf game. Neither Ben or I have ever played frisbee golf, but first, we gotta get some Gatorade. So we're at the store now, and we're gonna buy a Gatorade. We're just gonna buy one. We're gonna fill up that one bottle as many times as needed to fill up the jug, the tub. We're gonna see how much money that they're wasting every time they dump it on a coach or a player, or we're gonna see how much retail they're spending on Gatorade by dumping it on people. How much was it?
2 for $4, that's why I got the extra one.
Oh, 2 for $4. Okay, so $2 each.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
I thought it was gonna be more. We got our frisbees.
We got our drivers, we got our putters, we got all different sorts of things here.
So there's three.
The mid-range.
There's 3 different sizes for. We've never played, but we're guessing that one is for like a long range.
This is the driver.
Okay.
The orange one's the putter and approach.
Okay.
The blue one is the mid-range.
Mid-range. Okay. So we haven't even started yet because we can't find the first hole. We'll just start at 10. Okay, we're gonna start at 10. We can't find hole number 1.
Yeah.
All right, let's go start at 10.
Oh, wrong way.
Yeah. Awesome. Ben's in the bush. Do you get an extra stroke for that?
I don't think so.
Way over there? Holy moly. Not going too far. Hey, oh, good shot. Oh, 5.
First frisbee golf hole.
This is 5. Tie game so far, 5-5.
Look, all red, already.
The leaves are turning red?
Already.
Already?
I went.
You ripped it? It's okay. So Georgia wants the red one, so I can't even use the driver, but kind of unfair advantage. In the rough again.
Let me try.
Yeah, your shot. Whoa, what a shot! Oh, that would have been clutch. All right, Ben, it's gonna be hard to hit any trees on this one. Because there are no trees. Are you in the trees? I've been using the putter the whole time. The blue one's not the putter? Oh my gosh. Now should I continue with the putter that I've been using non-stop? You found that? It's like a flag. Wave it around. Still up by 1 shot. Still up by 1 shot. I wasn't even filming it. I got it from here. Nice, I got that shot. Probably 25, 30 feet. One more hole, G? Okay. One more hole. Which way? That way, maybe? This is the last hole. Ben's down by 2 strokes. Oh gosh. I hope we can find that one.
On the fairway.
Hole right there.
Frisbee in the hole.
Hey, nice shot. That's shot 5.
Probably my best shot.
Oh yeah. Victory! We just got back. I won the game by 2 or 3 shots.
How many bottles of Gatorade did you take from one of these?
What's your guess?
100. About 100.
100?
What do you think?
I was only gonna say like
10.
45.
No way.
My guess, 45 Gatorade bottles. Ben's guess, 100 Gatorade bottles. Or 20.
They're going away.
It is growing really big.
Zach gets it done. The winner gets dunked.
The winner gets the water
Zach
bottle?
never won a World Series. He doesn't know the feeling of this. He knows what it feels like to win an afternoon 6 holes of frisbee golf.
42.
That's enough.
That's enough? Okay, one more. This will be 50. 50. So there we have it. That's 50 bottles of Gatorade. We know they use some sort of powder. They don't use just 50 bottles to fill that up. Anyway, if we went bottle for bottle, that's $100. That gets dumped on the coach, gets dumped on the player. That's gonna get dumped on me right now. I'm the champion at Frisbee Golf. I'm gonna get $100 worth of Gatorade dumped on my head because I'm the champion, baby. So
Careful, Wee. You're gonna get wet. Careful, you're gonna get wet.
you get back up. Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna go all over you too, Benny, probably.
I'm scared.
Woo! Where's my belt?
Gotta raise you up.
Oh, you're gonna get all wet.